Hey guys, so before we get started into the video, I quickly want to mention Folklore Beauty, who sent me an array of their products, and I was so obsessed every time I opened their products because, for one, I'm upset I haven't had these products in my possession before this because they're so bomb. So my eyeshadow look is using all of their shadows. So look how pigmented and beautiful these shadows are. I'm gonna be honest, I did not expect it to be this pigmented, but let me show you guys the palette that I used to create this look. So I use the 18 Shades Full Function palette, and it is in the name Twilight. It is a limited edition palette, so I'm not sure if it's still out, but if it is, I will have all of that information in the description box below. So this is what it looks like, and then look at these shades. Oh my goodness. So I'm obsessed. I'm gonna show you guys a quick little video of all of the palettes that they sent me, as well as the lipsticks, as well as the highlighters, which is another thing that I'm super excited to have because I don't have anything like that in my collection. So as you can see, these highlighters are really, really sparkly. The pigment is crazy, which is the very first thing that I noticed when I swatched these, was that the pigment was about to be off the chain, especially when applied on the skin. As you guys can see, everything from the matte shades to the glittery shades to the very shimmery shades, all of their pigments are absolutely amazing. Their lipsticks are super duper pigmented as well, and I am just so ecstatic to have these. I also love that the palettes that they sent me have their own theme. So we have Paris, and then inside the shades actually have like pictures and stamps inside the shades. All of these shades are shades that I actually don't have in my collection, so I'm really, really happy to play in all of these. So as you guys can see, I got really creative with the Twilight palette, and this was actually my first time even playing around in these shadows like this, and I was obsessed. I spent a good 2 to 3 hours on my makeup because I was just so inspired by this, and every time I get new makeup, I get inspired, but every time I get good makeup, I'm super inspired. So please expect more looks with these shadows and these palettes. So thank you, Folklore Beauty, for sponsoring this portion of my video. Thank you for sending me all of these products. I'm so excited. Please stay tuned on my Instagram. I'm gonna have looks done with these palettes, and I'm obviously gonna share more on my YouTube. So again, if you want any of these palettes, if you're interested in Folklore Beauty, then check the description box below for all of their information. And now we can get right into the video. What is up? New vlog. Good morning. It is September 28th and it is 9:48 a.m. We've seen this shirt before. I literally rotate the same old pajamas, so I don't care. Well, it's not really even pajamas, it's just stuff to be in a house with. But anyways, my studio is a hot mess. Let me show y'all. I keep that on here because Dash, it's closed. Yeah. And this is just, I just need to organize. But let me tell y'all why this is such a mess. My closet had to get fixed, so I had to take everything out of the closet. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm dealing with right now. My shoes have to go back in the closet. I just have to fix it. The problem is that let me show you guys. So I put my clothes back in the closet, and this is not all my clothes, by the way. I have another closet in my bedroom, but put a bin up there, and down here I haven't put anything except for that one box, and that's just whatever. But I have space right here, and I have some shoe boxes that I plan on putting up there, but this wall was just wet yesterday. It was like painted, so that's why I couldn't do it. And today, that is the task. I woke up and I came right in here because I want to just get it done so I can get to filming, like really filming for you guys. So that's what we're working on. I'm gonna hit you guys back up when I am done, I guess, or in the middle of it or whatever. I also have to deposit some color into my hair because I haven't, and it's been a month already. I can leave it, it's not bad actually, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how I feel about it. I was feeling like depositing some color, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it done, so I have to get this done before about like, I have to be done with everything by like 6-ish so I can head out.
So, well, it'll be ideal if I'm done by 5. So yeah, it's already about to be 10 a.m. So I have to get going. I just wanted to open up a vlog here because, you know, I'm a vlogger now. By the way, I have this kit thanks to my godmom's mom. Yeah, that's what I'm holding the camera with, and it's so much easier to work with than just holding the actual camera. I still have to pair it to the camera. I just haven't had time. Like, when I say I haven't had time for things, it's been like I haven't had time for things. Yesterday I got nothing done because my closet was getting fixed. So anyways, I'm gonna go before I just spend time talking to you guys instead of doing what I have to do. So yeah. So this is what I got done right now. Just put some stuff up there. Yes, I still have the shoes to go, but as much as I want to be able to fit so much up there to the point where I have enough space for my shoes. I need to get some sort of organizer for my shoes as well. I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna go eat breakfast actually. So all right, y'all, we've made some progress. My hair, I look crazy today. Just disregard, regular day, I don't care. I finished my closet. So yeah, I finished my closet, and now I'm working on my shelves and everything. So this is where I put my new plant. I have to repot it, and that's why I have that towel under there because it just leaks every time I water it. So I have to repot it, and I already have the pot and everything. I just have to do that. I'm a little annoyed because it's covering my, don't pay attention, I'm taking this off today, but it's covering my Kendra sign. Also, all that ruckus is, yeah, that's him. But yeah, it's covering my little Kendra monogram sign thing over here. So I don't know if I should lift it or something. I don't know. I also want to move all of these things from here because I feel like it looks a little sloppy, but that's just like deodorant and like my everyday perfumes and stuff like that. Skincare fridge, you guys know about that. And then I move my brushes up here. Yeah. My brushes are up here, and this is what the top of my shelves are looking like. And then these two I am leaving. I just kind of moved the cards up here and put the candles up here. And then this one I just moved one shelf up. This shelf used to be this bottom shelf where I just have a bag there. And then I put a bag here. And then the rest of them I'm working on. I have this shelf kind of done already. I think it looks pretty cute. These heels were custom made for me by Air Imagination, so check him out. He is dope. He's just dope. Just check him out. And then the rest of them, I think I'm gonna leave the Balenciagas like that and then just add these little plants around, but I'm not sure. And then the rest of them I'm still working on. So yeah. Also, I don't know if I like this half. I don't know if I like this half. But I also don't know where to put these pictures at, and I do want to display them, and then I don't know where to put the things in the back at. So that is what I'm working on. I kind of came to a quick stop because I'm kind of like stuck. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna fill the wall up here. As I said, I wanted that neon sign, so I still have to get that. And then I'm gonna hang up some of my smaller bags up so it can be off, just up, because I have a lot of space, you know, so I can put some shelves and stuff and kind of just be a little bit more creative rather than, I know I'm short, but I can actually use the space. And yeah, that's what I'm working on. So I have about 45 minutes to keep working, and then I have to jump in the shower, wash my hair, and get ready to head out. So all right, I'm gonna see y'all in a bit. Good afternoon, YouTube. I have to remember what I was on real quick. Okay, so it is the next day, September 29th. It's actually my grandma's birthday today, and it is 12 p.m. I wanted to show you guys because I did just finish my studio. Well, I have some finishing touches that I definitely want to add, but for the most part, I'm at a stopping point. It's pretty much good right now. I just finished it this morning. So I'm going to show you guys. I was going to say something else. Oh, I'm just getting ready to have my therapy session. And yeah, so I just want to show you guys the studio really quick. So this is what, this is what my shelves and everything are looking like. Some of them stayed the same. I just kind of fixed them up and some of them changed a little bit. And then up here, instead of having all bags, I just have some stuff. As I told you guys, I changed my brushes from here, and this is where this plant resides. I don't know what to call her yet. I don't have a name for her yet, but there's Sarah. This is all that's left of Sarah. Sarah has no more leaves besides this because the other ones are done because Dash is Dash. And here's Dash looking at my he's just looking at my the band for the camera. But anyway, up here I hung up 4 small handbags, and yeah, so that's pretty much what I did. Yeah, that's pretty much what I did. And right now the only thing I'm trying to figure out is this section right here. I want to put a shelf maybe right here to have all of these things, because these are like my daily items, like deodorant, my perfume, my facial cream that I use every day, some moisturizer, I have my lotion, and I have my witch hazel. So those are the items that I use literally every day, so I didn't want to put them away. But I don't know, should I put them away somewhere, or should I get like a shelf to put here? Also, should I lift this part, should I lift this up a little bit so when you come into the room you still see it, because the plant is blocking it. What else? Also, for this empty space, I want to get a neon light, get my name in neon lights up there. Well, not my name, but KissedByKen. So if you guys have a brand that does it, that you know it's good, then let me know. But besides that, I'm gonna be looking myself. But yeah, that's what the studio is looking like. So after my therapy session, I'm probably gonna get a workout in, or a yoga session, or both, or meditation. Definitely meditation, just yeah. And then I'm gonna wash my hair. I actually have like an oil treatment in. You guys will know from another video that I have coming out. And I'm gonna get ready to head out to my grandma's house because it's her birthday. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. I'm gonna try to take you guys along while I go into my grandma's house, because I know most of my vlogs are in the studio, but literally I spend so much time, as you can see, in the studio. I just had to get him down because he needs to stop this habit of climbing at the top of my chair. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch you guys later, and yeah, I'll touch base with you in a little bit. I hope I'm focused, because I realized I had it on autofocus instead of manual focus. No, wait, I had it on manual focus instead of autofocus in a few of my clips. But anyway, I was just looking back at this vlog footage and realized that I never actually closed this vlog or even posted this vlog or did anything with this vlog. It's just kind of been sitting there. This is like almost a month later. It is October 24th today, and I really wanted to close this vlog off and update you guys on, you know, regular stuff. So my studio obviously still looks the same. I don't know if you guys got a clear view because my lighting was pretty off too, so I realized actually that I have to have better lighting for my vlogs as well. So anyways, this is what it looks like up there. So I think I'm gonna call her Lily just because she's a piece of Lily. So yeah, I have Lily up there. Sarah no longer lives in this room anymore. She is actually in my bedroom because Dash does not leave her alone, and she's suffered enough, so I had to give her some peace. So I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this stuff here, and I still want to figure out what to do with the sign, if I should just leave it or what. And everything else over here still looks as I last showed you. The only difference right now is that I have my brushes here because I had just washed them, but I just have to put them back in that case and then it's fine. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this. I don't know if it fits up here, but I have to figure, like, I want a space for it. And then obviously my bags are there. Those are just packages that I have to deal with. And yeah. So as you guys can see, it looks good. I love it. I feel like it has a lot more space now, but yeah, Dash is looking at me, so I'm gonna show you guys how he looks. He's really pissed off right now because he has a new collar on. It has a little pumpkin on it and he's uncomfortable. I'm thinking about taking the pumpkin off, but I'm pretty sure he's fine. I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, it's probably super dark, but let me Oh, I need to get like some sort of lighting for the camera or something. But this is what Dashy looks like. Dash. Papa. Yeah, he's pretty mad at me because I put the collar on him. But he's so cute. Oh, yesterday I was actually going to vlog because I got my hair professionally trimmed. Yay! I had straightened my hair like the beginning of last week. Actually it's been a week since I've straightened my hair, so I actually have to wash it soon. But every time I straighten my hair, I try to like really live in it for a while because I know it's gonna be a minute before I do it again. And I have a lot to say about them curly cuts, but anyways, I just got it trimmed because I needed to get it trimmed. My ends were so bad. She only cut about an inch off, so my hair is still pretty long. Let me see if you can see. It's still pretty long. She only cut about an inch off, but like before, when I used to pass my fingers through my hair, like the ends would be so knotty. That is like #1 rule of like, okay, you need a trim. When the ends are super knotty and you get a bunch of like those little fairy knots, you need a trim. Because the dusting that I was doing just wasn't doing it for my hair at all. So my hair feels a lot healthier, so when I go back to washing my hair and having my curls again, it's probably gonna look a lot healthier as well. And I'm really happy about that because it's literally been like 2 years since I got a professional trim done, which is no bueno. But anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna end this vlog right here, but if I am, then I'll talk to you guys in the next vlog, and if I'm not, then I'll see you soon.